Oh my god.
Boozy boba.
I want boba.
It's boozy boba.
Dude,
She's so
it's $16. Again. I want it. That sounds really good.
Wait, get the boba, get the boba, get the boba.
It's $16. We can like cut.
Yeah. Or should we just bite into it?
Wait, this shit is like...
I forgot, I was like, oh, like, I guess I should sleep over, and then I was like, rushing. Even though I really didn't have
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. What is this?
How is it?
It's cold, but like not as cold as I thought it would be.
Wait, does it? Get the...
No! Bro, I have to put it on before when my skin is dry.
It'll be dry after.
Bro, wait, just wait. Let me just...
Guys, the state of things right now...
Chill, we've been here for 1 minute.
Oh my god,
I
they
should
have...
just use this one.
Say hello. To think we were just over there, listening to other Kane a couple days ago.
Look at an MRI. I'm not doing all that. But I was supposed to schedule it like a month ago and I never did it. And also I was supposed to do physical therapy and I also never scheduled it.
What were you looking?
What are you looking at? Can you do a bag tour, Chloe?
Sure.
Okay, give me a tour.
Wait, you could just take it off.
No, you have to do the one doing the
I don't
tour
know how
because
to do
I don't know. Ah! Stop laughing. Leaking.
Oh my God, this is confidential information.
Wow. Up there. In
Wong Kar-wai movie.
what is this? Fuck me eyes. Let us in. Let us meet, please.
This place
the
really is so
windows.
nice. though.
What? Whoa. Whoa. This.
There's nothing like a good scratch in the back.
Merry Christmas. Literally Merry Christmas. Explain yourself.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Yeah, flying over the Pacific Ocean, and then they hear a gust of wind, and they're like, "Oh yeah, something hit our chopper," and then they crash down onto an island, and then. Well, don't look at me like that. You need to
What?
lock into the joke. Lock in.
I'm literally listening.
And then And then the white guy says, "Oh no, we need to survive on this stranded island." Wait.
Is this the plot of
No, you need to wait for the joke. Wait. And then he's like, okay, the black guy go fishing and get us some fish. Yeah, go to the lobby.
No.
Is it to the room?
It's not here yet. It'll be here in like 4 minutes. But it's coming up to the room.
Continue.
And then he's like the Asian guy, you go get us some get us a piece of wood and a leaf to make some fire. And then he's like, okay. And then and then he waits, and then the two guys go do their thing, and the Asian guy comes back. And he says,
I thought they were black, white, and brown.
No, this is really important, Chloe. It's a white guy, a black guy, and an Asian guy.
Oh, sorry.
This is really important. Everyone lock in. And the Asian guy went to go get the fire wood, and then he comes back and he says, "Supplies."
What the fuck?
Supplies?
Yeah.
Like surprise.
What?
Well, not really good joke. No, I made up in my head.
20 minutes ago.
Wait, that's actually funny.
Yeah, I know.
Is this like a well done like I
Uh,
used to Google.
Okay. She's fucking asleep. She's fucking asleep. She's literally asleep, and she's asleep.
Like,
Can you go wake her up? Go in.
so we can all go.
No, go in.
Go, man.
I'm turning the flashlight on for this one.
Oh, that's so crazy. How do you still have those pita chips?
I know, I feel like they've been there for too long.
You!
I'm not asleep.
Oh.
What?
What?
She got you so good.
I know she did.
How was the butterfly? Oh. ASMR on the camera.
Oh. Did you draw the lens?
No, I did it on the side here for the different texture.
What are you?
That is gonna be so good.
Oh.
Oh,
Sorry.
she turned on the
The
oven.
light is crazy. Wow. The light is crazy.
She's hooking up with Austin, bro.
Oh.
Dude! Dun dun dun.
She's talking. Her plates are so cute.